Hi everyone, this is Neeti here. Welcome to my channel. I talk about everyday relationships. Now, that relationship could be with your home, or that relationship could also be with your partner, or for that matter, your mum or your dad or your siblings as well. So, today I am talking about ऐसी कौन सी 5 qualities हैं in women that men find very attractive. So let's just dive into it. And guys, you can always help me out with more and more of such feedback. Okay, so number 1, boys and men like women who have a sense of humor. अब देखिए ना, ये अननेसेसरी प्रेशर हमेशा मेन पे क्यों होता है कि ओ माई मैन हैज़ टू हैव अ गुड सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर, उसे फनी होना चाहिए. Why? Even women can be, right? I mean, right from cracking jokes or funny one-liner, या फिर मान लीजिए कि अगर आप ही ने कोई जोक क्रैक किया है and you know the girl doesn't like it और वो थोड़ा सा नाराज़ हो जाती हैं, गुस्सा हो जाती हैं. Instead of that, अगर as a girl, if you just laugh it off, you know, or take it in your stride, trust me, boys like such, you know, women who are more like chillers here. They chill here more, right? So a good sense of humor is not just about being funny. A good sense of humor is also when आप एक बात से दूसरी बात कितनी आसानी से ले जाते हैं. Conversations, you know, easy flowing conversations. Right. Point number 2. Okay. Now, boys and men like women who are adventurous. अब adventurous के साथ आता है confidence also. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? अब you could be a girl who is interested in hiking, camping, trekking, you know, paragliding. मतलब इसमें से मैंने सिर्फ 2-3 चीज़ें ही की हैं. But it's so much fun, you know. And trust me, men like women who are little adventurous. Because उससे होता क्या है ना कि you feel more that okay, you know, we're equals. या इसके साथ मज़े करने में ना अच्छा लगता है. You know, when you go on these treks or camping, it's so much fun. Instead of just being ki, nahi, I can't go here, no, I can't go there, and I don't like rainy season, and I don't like winters. No. Men like women who are adventurous and who are confident as well. Moving on to quality number 3. Boys like girls who are emotionally independent. अब उसका क्या मतलब होता है? For example, अगर day to day life में, you know, whether it's your workspace or maybe your college or generally maybe your married life also, you know, अगर थोड़ी सी किसी के साथ नोक झोंक हो जाती है, you know, a little bit of argument here and there, तो वो अगर आप अपने आप हैंडल कर लें एंड विज़ावी कि अगर यू नो एकदम से आपने देखा अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को और हस्बैंड को और आप उन पे पूरा टूट पड़े कि यू नो दिस व्हाट हैपेंड, दैट व्हाट हैपेंड, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, ऑल दीज थिंग्स, नो. If you can handle such emotional ups and downs on your own, आप अगर बहुत ज़्यादा emotionally insecure नहीं हैं, trust me, men absolutely love that. So emotional independence is very very important. And yes, हमारा जो ये monthly PMS होता है, well, that's मुझे लगता है ये थोड़ा सा ना we are being unfair with the boys or men. मतलब हम थोड़ा सा अगर अपना PMS कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं अगर, and I have tried this and it has really worked, you know. So ये जो हमारे mood swings होते हैं ना PMS के टाइम पे, if we can very consciously just work towards it and just be a little bit more happier towards our partner, trust me, boys and men, they absolutely love it. Moving on to quality number 4 that men find very attractive in women. Women who are less insecure. Yes. देखिए ये क्वालिटी एज अ वुमेन आई कैन टेल यू कि मेरी रिलेशनशिप्स में मैं काफ़ी इनसिक्योर रह चुकी हूँ, बट आई हैव ऑल्सो लर्नड इट द हार्ड वे दैट इफ़ यू आर मोर फ्री एंड इफ़ यू हैव मोर कॉन्फिडेंस ओवर योर पार्टनर, अगर आप उनमें ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस रखती हैं, if you show more trust in your partner, men and boys, they love that. See, men overall are very sweet, simple, they're very black and white. वो इतने complicated नहीं होते हैं, right? मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि women are complicated, but men like simple women who are simple here. And by that I mean कि insecurities अगर हम थोड़ी सी कम करें, so that is a huge turn on for men. And quality number 5, very, very important, men like women who are financially independent. And now today's day and age, most of us are working on our own, we're financially independent. So yes, that's a huge turn on for men. Also, because ये एक बहुत unnecessary pressure, एक ये society का एक pressure है कि oh, if we're going out on a date, if we're going out of dinner या lunch के लिए जा रहे हैं, so only men are going to pay. Why? We can always go Dutch, right? And sometimes you can also surprise your partner. You could probably buy something as simple as a t-shirt or a shirt that you can buy for your boyfriend or your husband, and they would really like it. So financial independence, giving them surprises, gifting them something, going Dutch when you are paying a bill. These are little things that you could do to make your man happy as well. So I'll be back with some more such videos. If you have some queries or questions, अगर आपको कोई specific topic पे you think that we should be talking about, please feel free to talk to me and message me. I'll be back some more life hacks right here. So stay tuned and thank you for your time and do subscribe. Ta-da!